Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can make a screenshot on your Sony Xperia 1 Mark 5. And it's pretty simple, really easy. You have to press the power on and off and the volume down button at the same time. And then it makes a screenshot. And when we click on it, we can go ahead and edit it. We can crop it, adjust it, we can put like filters on it, adjust the brightness, filters, and we can also write on it. And then we could say done and save copy. When we now go to our photos, we also have our screenshot here, and here we have our edited version. So that's really quick and easy how you can make a screenshot on the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 5. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. So thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.